so this is like my first YouTube video ever. I mean, that's kind of crazy. Like, I've just sort of been like the neighborhood tranny for quite a while, and I mean, I don't know, I just kind of love like dressing up, doing my thing, getting out. About to go out to dinner. It's gonna be fun.
Hi guys, I just got back from the mall. I had some really cute things. Went to Sephora, literally my favorite store ever.
I wanted to check in again, say hello. I'm going out tonight, so I got all dolled up. I go all dolled up. Got a new little dress on. It's from Target. I actually got it on clearance for $3, and then it had like dirt on it, so I got it for like $1. I am wearing. It's super skanky. Oh my god. How am I gonna do this? I'll like push this out of the way. It's super skanky, like short, and my heels. Just got those too. Super cute. I don't know if I'm gonna try to button this up and like create cleavage or something. But I'm a boy, so I can do whatever the hell I want to. And then my friend is letting me use her oh god, her Coach little handbag. Hi you guys, what's up? Really insecure. I don't know why I'm always wearing this stupid nightgown. It's literally because I have nothing else to wear, so stop judging me. It's a nightgown. Oh, come on. It looks really cute. It keeps like a bunch of stuff in it. Right now I have my NA book. I have this. I think I've shown you guys. I bought this a long time ago. It's like a low wristlet. Been doing some pretty important things with my life, primarily shopping at Target on multiple occasions, sometimes multiple occasions per day, but I have been acquiring sort of a new wardrobe. This is a new dress, which I'm going to show you guys later, obviously, and I have some new boots, which I think you guys will like too. I'm now at a place where I've sort of figured out a daily, weekly routine, so it sort of minimizes that stress and those feelings of being overwhelmed. But oh my gosh, I mean, transitioning male to female especially is so much emphasis is placed on the voice and sounding really feminine, and I know on a lot of my previous videos actually people have said, you know, you need to start talking like a woman, you look like a woman, but you need to talk like one. And I mean, that's obviously offensive on many different fields. And they came in, so I'm just gonna try those on for you guys today, see how they fit. I've been really excited and waiting to try them on. Opening them up for the first time today. The tags are literally still gonna be on them because I'm not sure if, like how they fit or if I'm gonna return them or not, as I would love it to be. I think this is really cute. So this one, I believe, is going to be the exact same dress, just in a different color. Hi guys! Oh my god, this one is so... How do I fix the sun? I don't know. I'm such a great friend. The bitch is like waiting for me downstairs. Oops!